Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Instagram Reels bonus option. To start, open your Instagram app. Go to your account. Here, click on the three dots. Then go to settings. Then click on accounts. Now, scroll down to click on switch your account. Select your account as a creator account. After that, go back. Select creator option. Click on monetization status. Now, you can see all the policies and guidelines related to your monetization tool. Then go back. And again, select three dots from top right corner. Now go to settings. Here, click on help. Tap on report a problem. And here you can select include and continue. Here type I am eligible but I don't see bonuses option in my account. Please resolve this issue. Then submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.